Hey Central School, Mrs. Hewing here with a fun reading activity for you. At least usually when I do this with my groups at school, they seem to enjoy it. So today we're going to do a little bit of word work, and we're going to do our word work in the form of a word ladder. So to do a word ladder, you start with your very first word. And my word today is the month we're in. I'm going to start with April. So when you're doing a word ladder, you make little changes from each word as you add more words to your list. I'm going to change April, and I'm going to actually take away 2 letters out of this word and rearrange it to mean the rim or edge of a container. Can anybody guess what my word's going to be? I'm going to take away the A and the R, and I'm going to get the word lip. Oh. Now, I want to add something to this word lip. That means that you're sliding on something that's kind of slippery. And if you trip and fall, you just might add a letter, and I get slip. Now, from there, I'm going to actually take away a letter. This is what you get if you have a drink in front of you and you just take a very little bit of that drink. You're going to take a sip. Now, I want to add a letter to sip, and this means a very large boat. Do you know what it is? I'm going to add an H and get ship. You got it. Now, from there, I'm actually going to change my vowel. Another name for a store, a place where you would go to buy things. Changing my vowel, and I get the word shop. All right, I want to take a letter off of this, and this is when you jump up and down. You got it. It's the word hop. Now, from there, I want you to change one letter, and it's the thing you would use to clean your floors with water and soap. You're gonna need a mop. Now, change one letter in mop to make something you would use if you're lost and you're trying to figure out where to go. You might want to look at change one letter, change the O to an A, and you're going to look at a map. Now, I have one word left. Now, my very first word today was April, right? Does anybody know the month after April? If I change one letter in this word map, the month after April is May. Now, I probably actually should have written May down here at the bottom, but I kind of ran out of room. But this is how you do a word ladder, and it's something you can use to practice playing with words at home anytime. So pick a word, and then little by little make changes to that word and see if you can come up with a new word. Or maybe you can come up with something that actually connects, like I did with April and May. Try it at home. Working with words really can be fun. Enjoy doing word ladders.